All right, we got the Kwikset Gen 3. This one's tricky to pick if you don't have a good shim. I made mine out of a broken 15 thousandths pick, and I thinned it down a little bit. And this will get between the sidebar and the inner core. Now the trick is to push it in and that way. Once you hook it in the spot, this is best to figure out with the core out of the cylinder. I'm pushing this way with my hand. And there, I got it in there. Now I'm going to tension the sidebar just at the top and then push down on the sidebar as I go down with the pins or sliders. And that'll allow me to pick one slider at a time. Okay, front's a little stiff, so I'll back up a little bit. I got that set. Two's not binding yet, so push in the shim. Two feels set. Three, not quite binding. So you're not binding, or did I get it set? I did get it set. Four is already binding. I think four is set. Push the shim in all the way, get to five. I don't know about 4 and 5. I'm going to back off. Back off even more. Back off more. There's 1, 2. Let's try a stronger pick. Four seems stuck. 5 is loose. Let's see if we got it open. Nothing else feels set. 4's got a weird feeling though. Let's try it. If it doesn't work, we'll start over. Have to crank it past. Nope, we didn't get it set. We'll start over. That's kind of strange. 4 is kind of a funky slider. Put that in there. 1 should be binding. Yep. 2 binding too hard. Back off. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we got everything. Is 5 set? Maybe? Let's try again. This might be good. Trick is to get your shim out of there without unsetting the sliders. I think I got it. So I'm jamming my slider. Yep, there we go. Yeah, the pins are sliders are super springy once they're set. Feels like you'd bounce on that. It feels like they're not even binding. But that's the Kwikset for you. Let's get this in frame. Sorry. Out of the way. Get this thing apart. Oh, there's a key. Just zoom down a little bit. We got all 5 sliders there. Check that out. Now the shim goes, here's my shim. It goes between here and on top of this sidebar and underneath here, then all the way back until it stops. And you want to bind slider 1 right here, slider 2 there, slider 3, slider 4, slider 5. So you push the shim back as you bind each slider. And you can practice that with the lock opened up like this. So you can see each slider being set as you look through there while you push in your shim and are picking. Oop. There's all my sliders. There's little pins. And take these out just for posterity. Something a little greasy. There you go, SmartKey Gen 3.